Wako waba tindi mono. Senge jina watu mwanyi na anabu watu broko.
But they are there. That is what the term is trying to tell us.
Lakini manteke mo. Difference a professional ne chipwak. Nchi kwa sababu ndaba kuebeka.
Mekoa. Tinkondi.
Professionals mba tibwate ebiyama byabo gose chibodi jabo. For example, wase onyekita nimbo wate nderumo KMPDU. Kebwata machiko geto isoko buna usisoko mosora nga asikiombe kinga ligeli ndo yakolete nabo kiramulete mu cyano geto na LSK aba nishwa bari mu wate keno abantu bo wate nat ebi professional bo wate ndeni na ande sinja qualification na kwa register.
Yes.
Lakini asebu na kugusia ito probably no yake nyingima again don't create the kia toka munango kerwa okunyora nga abantu bari professionals go to abale gap gete either class gete kwanyanga professional ngese njalgo sino mwalimu gosana njalgo sino munya gitali ingenjune yawo te unya gosona nabantu bankalia ega kweyo nero go jabe shida go close kidogo wona nyanga ole sekete ngoya abana abalimu abana nabanya munya gitali
wetaka na mabemboka
awumboka muna mbenyare tenyo egente kine kiki bwate goto mu chando wono no professional gosona na siasa goseko gosemia abantu ngento gete eba koronga oyibone singe jabwa na kyoto kanaliga abantu abange mbaje banyora ko obosemi ubia especially ko make decisions in elections.
Okay,
ne kwene kwa
na intuna professionals abaiga to atumikira libageli leto kwa community direction asokora kwao
omanyete professionals ino ateba engenjiba engento geto kwa ki knowledge and passion kero mundo bwate knowledge nyinga ubonyo bonge passion university professional kero wato bonyo bonge bono gure ngento gete gose professional gete o twara e passion yenga siasa.
Okay,
gosanyo
abantu no
sense gete ngakingobekera ini bona ngakingobekera ini
kangake bono nje professor ngimangende gukaransia abantu gali
kwa kwanira
kumari bakubate bigoro ya siasa.
That's the problem. Omondara ko from Edmund Burke igale ngimo na siasa se British House of Commons ate betenga ki kere ento kere ke base society ningo ke koendra ko beke mono ekero abantu bali abaya bali babantu bamanyi bagokira you know when they keep quiet that's the evil triumphs. So until professionals were to be serious tote yo anto baito ligeli ento kere kana ke sababu neye it will take a long time even to change. Isengenja es democracy aro mpaka abantu bakijikura abange batebe abakiro.
Very good point. John Quares ile point ngia sana daktari.
Yes.
Igoli bagalita yo professionals gose ebigo chambiro
omanyete egente Kenya kundi
nki for example Dr. Birundu umusomi mwana to university chubest omere mpaka ngumbu why wouldn't people allow you kwanira abantu base inario batenga ya yanje ndoche direction toka na nei
nyakundi umate it all starts with everybody starts as a professional etoko chitwa graduate.
Okay.
Umuntu ochagete bune professional twa mahoko gago ikaria u graduate Obenkondi. Thank you. That's the correct word. And, so basically, again, to professionals need to do all what we have observed over the last few years we've been around. And we are not saying we don't respect our elders. We respect our seniors, we respect our elders, but we do respect there are directions that we cannot follow them blindly.
Okay.
And professionals, this generation that is coming up, remember there's professionals and there's young people. A professional can be as old as 90, 70 years, but they are giving direction. But the professional energy we want to put is that coming with young people to give new ideas and new direction that you must take.
Okay.
And this one you can remember immediately you give them na ande bago china baro bandi babe politician babe chinkonde. So that is why we are saying there's a major gap.
Okay.
As somogusi and development. And this gap, you cannot bridge any gap with a politician. The only binding time is when he gives you 10 bob and you give
the vote.
And you're finished. But a professional, we have an obligation. Because you have to university have an professional.
Yes.
So this gap is what our people have failed. Now when you want to get a very good cream, when you is working extremely hard, Muchache working very hard, abantu manduku working very hard for Igoraria. But now between them and umongi no lyo kalenga ali gusi
Bintu
this
byonekera.
gap chinkondi no chigo operateria and that
Bona-
has to
bona
come
in-
out clearly.
In the real sense,
Yes.
John abunale gari for example,
Yes.
na baro chingi mipango ya imbi yanye begete, o trust nyakundi.
Trust Nyakundi, thank you. Now that is correct. That is the correct position. Trust Nyakundi, also trust Birundu. Na Birundu nacha kwane no mugako lia okolire gazingi ya CS. Atukonye tunyore gento. Lakini ga Birundu ga kwewe gento. Wakarali masaku. So that is the gap that we are talking about.
Okay, Jana, you were saying something.
Yeah, that's what I key. Professionals ingo takalva kwa lindo ronge. Lakini eto bwate environment ya toxic. Mfano ndio kwa yomo. Aje kwenye opportunity huko sana na kwa mimi Europe. Mimi USA na tale UK. Una umwe driver, ukiro driver una driver asikete ga town ya. Ngeka sikete kanya wachika alinya kwa asikete, which is wrong. Ngaya wa eta ga wancho kwa so para opposite direction by time. Kanga lakini ngwe tamam. Ngwe tigati ngeta wono, you know. Lakini nga bongo na tanga ayente ya just genda neta ke.
Kabati para.
Ngingo te barabara. Environment bwate gaiga. Oise ko bwate ndoro ku meritocracy. Ngende ke to ke gende gana omaye ko nyore ke singe bwate qualification yechi. Useze nge weka kaya obwatira ini. Engine kara ingona ikaga namba isano. Lakini kwanyanga mundu ro maye go namba 10 o savere saved. Ochire. So ke ndo nekega ege komeki mundu koranga ki. Ngone nje ko yekora go como professional. Inkino jingo losing, I'm losing time, think of served fast. Yani kananga kwa join them. If you can't beat them, you join them. When you know mana corruption, a profession is a corruption. Na yeye kwa nasiga mna kwa musikimati yangi, ngona kwa ndigo ya mangana ya mnendo mnachia huduma namba. Huduma namba ineje konye. Esengenjo, over professional, with us huduma namba, nojo and over served, ngo ndegwenza kwa served. Ema the physical interaction yeto the two interaction no mondo ngao visione e ko increase corruption. No, over professional. Mote kwa yoni birth certificate kwangu. Lakini toso ko limit mono physical interaction area. Eko gara mono kero montabu ati wrong. So ki system echi ko chindo ngichingi systems ijo whatever. One we are going to reduce amangana corruption. Even professionals will feel like a system is working for them, so they won't join them.
Okay. So you are saying tali abantu bale mbatayo. Ne njere tayo yo gukora bintu esiri bagari taratoka.
Itaraproka.
Okay. Daktari ngwa kwa ngende betega nga ekero kubwats for example Dr. Birundu use John Ndieki todo ngumwana oyo no yo mintu kurwega bonjari onyeri bagari atokire ka umwana oyo nero ratarire use ka ya Birundu nero bwate in terms of exposure uri mutwari twa gotu matumaini rwate banga to como siko yo someto manyete bitebiga use nyaze bugo ampoint use board ngete usasegete igende ngwera na kirki wochaka we expect ngete kurwa reciprocation.
Yes.
Irudi sasa watu wafili. Do you think abantu abagatokorwa professionals bachire asamba baga aserikali for example bayira ndiyo kuboka sekejo
Timezi njengo
chaka
Na rekola ilaneria.
no I kwanza ngwati ketemere so kwa na teke tariki
omanyete kero omonta irwe gento kubwase kenyoro ose kubwase community expectation inkobere oyino yoito natokonye nakyo kunyora ngakende ga na abantu barakona chi video Facebook live na ndo inde bagwataki musikama sigangaki aikolende mugusi abantu bari gwaturikire basigani bari gwaturikire abantu bari kwirira serikali esengenjo matianya atsoto mne professional eri ngaligi timna kenyingima ole kenyingima kwanyanga asobekire gasigalia expectation chichinga ga kangungwa uchi abantu itukuruga yangi tatirira lakini uko beka ando kwa sema yende abantu ba complain go professionals kero babekira sigete most of the time ba hotendi kubota machiko lakini e community ngo expect ire boy
ngibada ko batiri machike kero baka tenga to ege tariki ko gesa kwita kanyore getari why are the laws broken kero ba korigi lakini ba bwati machike kero baro
I would go.
The question is this. I mean, a reciprocation ya whatever. Kwera niyo koboko.
Yes.
Na ikore. Ego watanga kero tu support ile muntu leta sumubweka no. To expect na nyakundi ayo nyonere chairman.
Yes.
Ya sigete.
Atokwa.
Atogwatisi. Because the negotiation for example ya rengo in 2017.
Yes.
Neringa abantu bamanyete ibintu bigabara atokonye bari barasigete.
Yes.
So what happens?
Tianda gote nyakundi. Ena gote there is a process ye ko graduate. Muntu acha gete buya ukagatigati u graduate. Matiangina bala it cannot go and help everybody. utakwenda konyekero mugusi. It is not possible. The understanding is kire kenyo nke bwate professional what access kunyo wikera nyarebe na nyarebe. Lakini in the process there is hierarchy. Baro onsaria professionals, and I can put very clearly kire polling station kire kona ya gusi njabwate professionals bali ko gambia mangana yogo so serikali professionals banyona an opportunity.
Yes.
That is the lower cadre, and these people did a lot of work. Koko sukagatia mbaro bono bali ba chakire ko ba master. Bali ba master ebintu ngakibintu bigokora ki bigogenda. Okay, ndote ebyo monene ose musikimati yangi monene nkonya asigetiga. Iria konyiru umoteye because ereta go chatangaze ngana konya tenyarebe. Boro mati yangi mwaire sinama bagabire. Umuntu ori oye professional bono mwene tairania sa abantu bari nsaria nabangena baria obeka yabero obeke kenyoro kyabo obeka nyomba mwabo. I'll give you for example, and I don't want to put names.
Yes.
Professor Neye mutotebe Virundu weirwa mabaga tuteba tatane. Ngende nga pointi omwana omumuro mintu. Ngende nga pointi mokane. Njo monyene ninda appointed. Ngende nga pointi omumuro yo mintu. Abuna mabagane enyombe yemo. Omanye kubuka maambie kero omugako yagocha matiagere mboro bono nenda aligoro nakoteye there is that higher level. Ogeto matiangi and the rest of the professionals wa kolire gazingia. But tigatia no ebintu bigosirera. Bintu mbiro wekagusi. And that is what motivates some of us. Integrity and a level yokotebe kemaene. Yokotebe monte kemaene. And standing with the truth. Is that Virundu onyoli legend. But if this thing can't help me, kokonya abana ba minto bali gusi. Umuntu okotebe nga kisinola appointed. Omonene nimbwata matoboli ngwaka. Kainkurusi ebes. Kwanyora the only way I can do is to go back yali aseko kraki. Asirende na airukende. Kwanyora timbwati uwezo yogokonya omwanoli. What do? You leave. Ogosoka mapema whatever bana ba minto ga tinkonyala. Iga ekolekana enkoira na magega nkebwate riko chirutie ngao. Andi rutie ngao no ko make sure that gatia onyo ko ligumate nyo ko murigiero monyene gentonkera tutagetoto kon.
Are you saying ebintu byasambete ali sikonyo?
Yeah, ebintu mbiriko samba.
What happened by the way? Because my didn't do anything.
Go change the topic.
No, what happened? Because I've been told to ask you.
Okay, maybe nkwana abantu baminto. Over the last few months, I was appointed director at Youth Fund. It's a very good institution. It's a very good vision and objectives here. But ekerole is kona bakora na manganonsi pimbi yale. But you don't discuss most of these things in the media. But the best way I can put it,
yes.
Ekero kolegazi obisi yeserikali ende once. Nande to kokonya abana baino. The ordinary thing you can do no go together. Egero muntu mongana na koleki. And most undoing is when you're in that setup, it puts you in a very awkward position. To about to teneneta mangana Youth Fund yoku Murias is CEO. He was because of course the government works differently and there are many interests and you can't control most of these things. Agasuki gukando tukanyola abantu abangao. And looking at and not to live with this consistent ringo cha kukonya renge ururo Virundu oyo togo cha kobaleru no engo chimotunga nko arenga ari nko arego tokonya. So to cut this chain is normally to live and create an opportunity ele ngao iranya arego konyo mubusi because to konyala kobera asutanya arego konya abantu.
Okay.
And that is the motivation. And normally, sorry if I cut you short.
Sorry, it's okay.
Some of us believe in only one thing. 90% of my engagement with whatever opportunity I have. University, I can tell you I have several kids. I pay a lot of school fees as a because in the university and I know what education can do. Abana balise Italia, muchango turiko be kuntayo. we've just finished like 4 days ago. Abana tu walikuwa kanire school fees. I have kids in kanire school fees. Kereri, yeah, we and Kereri. I have literally keep people balache go to Konya in future. And that is, if that I could do the same work, na iru use the fund, then I'll be the happiest person. But if there's nothing I can offer, I better leave the earliest time possible.
Jonah, the doctor is raising an interesting point observation again. And I get away to one Davosa. Varo, two Movano, and yet a 2 wrong Musinara.
Na vile kunyalekana tokole iko sengencho kile historia ya Kenya se siasa ile kongenda ngento kunga tokenism umuntu onyo iyo ngento wase mugusiro ngento eko barungo mugusiro yibona na ali kurugaria na expect ko abantu ngento sali lakini ncheso reality ni lingana ne dugana byabona sina ukongeje yeso konyoleke wekyo reality ni linga ki na wako nyachi request nyingi sana chia kuma nkani n'abantu basi no saba kusiga lakini abanya yakanto chikirania wasubira ni ona 1% igwende igo bono ese nje expectation chike cy'abantu aho tuwarase abarayi baito sa abantu baito bayigwe bintu ko nagaria na gutora baito bosa ese nje maybe mbo atchinguru ngaba bekire mu perfect alake mbanya wa kire ngintu
na ndo tanga to kunyara ko mu America ko kwa menyo
like this one yes I then take it opportunity to answer this one here na on behalf of my own self n'abantu abange bayiwe ba ngambo maite ense bula America tiantu mekire na duara gatebire tiri ya na mondo kolde igo ese ento ngina mondo ngina banya no gwato uwezo kwero mondo yigabo ina sabwate chikosi chenjiro amo kwenda ense bula America for example no kwenda chinjira for example bula kwenda buna wanafunzi bula kwenda buna abantu bachiko kwanye monto na bula kwenda buna abantu bachiko menyoro gweta green card ndo nene so go depending on njoko no and then embassy garia it is very very strict so so what
you are disagreeing na inche kero matanga professionals wetu bagusi abantu bobwatu bumanyi mbayi yo ku direction
nyakundi
I still insist
nyakundi mbaro lakini ereiga na botora itaba na baminto I can tell you because I'm talking from there eto bwate chisampuli ibera tutebe isato tubwate bali baminto bali guraria they might not necessarily to the matiangia chiko konyo muntu kale bomurenda but in between matiangi no na bomurenda yakundi naro are we getting lakini go konyonya kundi na nkondi uroje na chako konyo muntu kale bomurenda so the undoing we have go say onye nyakundi gakocha gakore wasegete atachi go ikuiranirio koboko bomurenda arabe ko gento kye kwanza umubuko then bomurenda tirigo cha konyora ki kende gionse so this sample is ibere it could depend you as a person
okay
ngonyore genteki if we have the right people back konyore genteki ya they will be able to help our people
engoji mo chinsa ngani and we are len bio kwa sana lakini to kwa mapema nga reality ngobero kwa irwe ntu buneke ura sigete ibintu biro yako influence na bora anyereka to wakero montemere keze oya bantu batetemere masakura ko is possible onyo ora yamos bavere lakini ebintu mbiro ora rete biku public goods for example onyo wo weta nkaga ali matoba ako kugetika litiko mune professional kwa nyo lenge ndukete there is a way to work out with the government kusino na abantu bande mashirikande murete morosi asagwe bagaya igo mwakonye kenyoro osenye no mwana ibintu bachinye kitali kwa sababu hata yabone mechango every day kujanga tole every day kwa kwanya bana baka school kwa advice mnabona siku hizi matanga kirase tonya komisi so mtu mne bieko public good bia community professionals baba ko participate mbe aranga aya ntu to rase kete ndo bwate kikundi yeto ndo bwate kembe yeto kya boys club wasakende ga to konya
they are saying they are helpless
yeah
hawana nguvu hawana uwezo ene kesa kwengu ya munike tingeta ndio sanga na Dr. Joseph Birundu na Jonah Ondieki this one neto kuboringa ngai abasomi baito bare bae kinyoro osiga sabugito umwerekeo asamangana agukwana no bego bintu bigendrete asensi ya Kenya mwancho batali ndio sanga na intwe na boko bense muri chigwane chigo wetara sentra SMS enamba ni bere kianda inye ibere ko chakamdeta egesa ekero gutuma SMS ose ujumbe yao gotongete usangasa yo inyora bono